You know, the fun part with owning a Saab is what you can order for it. And this time I ordered, well, I'd like tuning my cars and stuff like that, and I like doing it myself just to experiment. So I decided to buy the thing you need, well, essentially need to tune both T7 and T5 Saabs, which is this. It's the CombiAdapter from JohnC on the TrionicTuning forums. So do a little live unboxing and see exactly what's included in the box. Because I don't believe I've seen videos of this yet on YouTube. So yeah, it's a first-hand experience. Inside the envelope, there is a little thingy packed in with bubble tape and or bubble wrap and electrical tape. Love it. That's exactly what I would have done. It seems like it has been opened and checked. Well, it appears like it. And then we got another package in here. Another bubble wrap. And then, oh, alright, nice. Okay, I didn't know this. It includes actually the this BDM connector, which is cool. Which I believe it is. It looks like the BDM connector you do inside the car. And here is, and even includes the cable for BDM. So here is your CombiAdapter. Very nice looking. Has a NXP chip on it, which is probably the processor, and some couple of memory chips on it, and a couple of the serial ports there, which is cool. Actually, all it even says on the adapter itself, I love this. This is nice. You can't really see that, but it says actually on it, CAN/BDM adapter version 1.0 to copyright 2010 by Janice Silinis. Silence. I'm not sure how to pronounce that correctly. Pardon me. So yeah, the other thing you will need to actually get this working with a with the power bus or the P bus in the diagnostic port is you need a serial port thingy to a diagnostic port or OBD2 connector, which you can get on eBay for pretty cheap. The problem is you have to find one on eBay that you can disassemble, because you have to disassemble the connector or the OBD connector to actually make it, or rewire it to make it configured properly for what this can do, from what I've read and heard. So that was the wrong way, so I'm gonna install it this way. Takes up a less space in the thingy. I must say I'm really impressed about the quality. Like the quality of this the soldering and everything is it's really good. I'm sorry about the noise there. Just got a snapshot there. Got hyped a bit when I got hyped a bit when I got this in the mail, or got the notice in the mail that, oh my god, you got a new package. And this was the last thing I ordered from all the stuff I've ordered the beginning of this month, which I ordered Powerflex, or not Powerflex, screw Powerflex. I ordered bushings for the subframe, which I've installed 2 of them for now. There's still 2 left, or 4 left, but I installed the 2 that was actually bad, and it was so bad that when I took out the bolt and pulled down the subframe, you can just push the bushing right out of the subframe, which is interesting. So yeah, that's cool. I like supporting people that do good stuff, so that's why I bought the CombiAdapter and not the those other generic things you can buy that are mass produced. I usually used a USB to OBD adapter, which works, but it's really slow. and it's not that reliable. But for me, it has been really reliable. If you configure it just right to get the perfect speeds and perfect comm link and everything like that, it works fine. But with this, it should be a little better. So, oh, music. So yeah, wish me luck on tuning, and probably more videos to come on this CombiAdapter, which is really